Hi students, welcome to third semester. In this semester, I'm going to take food microbiology for you. So we'll just see the introduction of microbiology or what all things you're going to learn in food microbiology. We'll see just an introduction through the slides. So what is microbiology? Microbiology is the study of microscopically small living organisms. Small or micros, bios means life and logos means science. Together we call it as microbiology. Although microbes are impossible to see with the naked eye, they make up 60% of all living matter on Earth, with a massive impact in each and every other living organism on the planet. We know there is a massive impact of microorganisms in our planet nowadays. We are experiencing or we are witnessing the incidence of corona every day, right? So corona is also a microorganism, we know that, and it is a virus. So there are different varieties or different types of microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, microscopic algae, viruses, and parasitic worms. What is the significance of microbiology, or what is the significance of microorganisms in our daily life? Microbial activities and interactions are vitally important to virtually all processes on Earth, playing key roles in nutrient cycling. So we can see different roles of microorganisms in different fields. On Earth or in our daily life, we personally or we are experiencing the significance of microorganisms through our food or through our environment. So we'll see playing key roles in nutrient cycling, especially for the agriculture purposes or the soil rotation. We have learned many things about microorganisms or the bacteria, right? So for the agriculture, microorganisms are very important. Biodegradation for our environment or the deterioration of biomatters, microorganisms are important. Climate change. In climate change, microbiology or the microorganisms are playing a significant role. Food spoilage. We all are experiencing food spoilages or food poisoning, all those things sometimes due to microorganisms. Food spoilage especially is through microorganisms. It can be bacterial, it can be fungal, different ways it can be in our food, as well as the cause and control of the diseases. So we will never forget about this microorganism. What is the significance of microorganisms in disease? As we know about corona, not only corona, different diseases, even our common cold. Common cold is also through virus. HIV AIDS is also through virus. Even corona is a virus. So different diseases, and also typhoid, which is a bacteria. So different diseases are caused through these microorganisms. So themes in microbiology and its fields. Microbiology itself is divided into basic and applied microbiology. Basic means it's about the microorganisms, its process and how its metabolism is. According to the study of microorganisms, it's divided as bacteriology, which is a study of bacteria, phycology, study about algae, mycology, about fungus or fungi, virology about viruses, parasitology is about parasites, and protozoology is protozoans. And we'll study about the microbial metabolism and genetics in the basic microbiology. For our modules, we are going to learn a bit about different microorganisms like bacteria, virus, fungi, and like a few algae or the top worms and all. And applied microbiology, we are very much focused into applied microbiology, especially industrial microbiology. And in industrial microbiology, we'll focus to food and beverage technology because we are food techs. So applied microbiology, which deal with disease related, like infections control, chemotherapy is nothing but chemical therapy, like penicillin, we know it's an antibiotic, and it is the emergence of microbiology. Then applied, again environmental related, as I said, biodegradation or the deterioration of biomatter, which is an application of microbiology in the environment. Industrial, again food and beverage technology, pharmaceutical microbiology, and genetic engineering. So here you can see, especially in the food production or in the food industry, how microbiology is applicable in different industries, like in dairy, fruit and vegetables, cereals, brewing industry, food additives, and protein products. So in simple way, we know dairy industry, we may be more knowing about the dairy products like cheese and butter, yogurt, cream, all those things. And all other industries are also using or also applying microbiology. You can identify the products, right? All these products are using microorganisms. For example, or in this picture, you can identify what is this? This is bread. Then cheese, different varieties of cheese are there, 2 varieties of cheese. Then butter, and this is a biscuit, actually a yogurt biscuit. Then beer, wine, salami, and gherkins. Okay, and there are some other fermented products so these are the different fermented products, just an example. Okay, like this, there are different varieties of fermented products that are available in our market, and in a simple way we could say we are using fermented or the application of microbiology in our own kitchens, like curd. We are making curd, and we are making dosha batter or idli batter, all those things by the fermentation, or there is a role of microorganism. So microorganisms are a heterogeneous group of several distinct classes of living beings. Based on the difference in cellular organization and biochemistry, the kingdom of Protista has been divided into two groups, namely prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Maybe you are familiar with prokaryote and eukaryote facts. So I am just giving you a simple task to find out the difference between prokaryote and eukaryote. Bacteria, this is just a clue for your task. Bacteria and the blue-green algae are prokaryotes, while fungi and other algae, slime molds and protozoa are eukaryotes. Bacteria are prokaryotic microorganisms that do not contain chlorophyll. And as I said, microorganisms, we cannot see the microorganism through our naked eye. We are talking about corona like every day, day and night. We are talking about corona these days, but have we seen corona yet? No, right? Because we can't see corona through our naked eye. Or if I am having any disease or through a bacteria, or doctor diagnosed as it's a bacterial infection, but we can't see which bacteria it is. So if we want to identify which is that organism, you can use microscope to identify that particular organism. And there are different types of microscopes, like compound microscope, dark field, phase contrast, differential interference contrast, fluorescence, confocal are the few types of microscopes, and these microscopes will be used according to the requirement, right? So this is just an introduction about the microbiology, and through the next modules we will learn more about food microbiology. Thank you.